What's important is you are genuine with yourself.
Growing up, naging people pleaser na rin tayo because like we wanted to live according to what pleases them.
Yeah, if we will listen to those voices, parang masyadong magiging magulo yung buhay natin. Now, we
Mm-mm.
don't know who we really are. We don't know what path we are going to. Hindi namin
Speaking,
dinuduldul yung yung life lesson. Hindi namin dinuduldul sa utak niyo yung, sa buhay niyo yung mga ano natin.
yeah, but
Good day, everyone. Welcome to our new episode of the Group Chat Podcast with ABC, the show that talks about life, friendship, and everything nice. I am A, the mysterious brother of all.
This is the explicit Bessie.
Hi, chatters!
hello, chatters!
Yes, kamusta kayo?
Okay naman ako. Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Okay din naman ako. Mga demure.
Parang hindi tayo
Mga demure.
kapani-paniwala. Hindi tayo kapani-paniwalang okay. Uy, may sasabihin pala ako sa'yo about sa last episode. Kamusta ka naman
Yes.
dun sa last episode?
Yun na nga.
After,
Yun na nga. Magsasorry na nga ako. Pasensya na mga chatters. Medyo hindi rin naman namin, medyo pinilit talaga namin yung episode na matuloy. Na hindi man lang natin naisip na pwede pa rin naman natin ituloy after magkaroon ng kuryente.
oo nga. Oh,
Pinilit talaga namin.
pinilit
Pasensya
talaga.
na.
Mm-mm.
Um, isipin nyo na lang, undas. Undas.
Late. Late na
Late.
undas. Ako naman, meron akong sentiments after natin gawin yon and mapanood ko again. Parang meron lang akong kaba sa aking dibdib na ano lang, naisip ko lang na medyo sensitive pala yung topic natin na yun,
Yeah,
no? Medyo
actually.
sensitive. And
Sensitive.
nababahala lang ako na baka ma-misinterpret siya negatively ng mga chatters natin. So I hope naman na hindi. I hope naman na
I think
um
hindi naman. Kasi
oo,
we were on the, tawag ba dito? We were on
both
the
sides.
Valentine
Bala, both, oo
vote.
naman. Tinakle naman natin yung both sides. Yun lang, sana na-convey lang namin yung message talaga na gusto namin. And I just want you to know also, chatters, na our intention naman is good. Na
Yeah.
at the end of the day, our intention is to help both sides, 'di ba? Those who are going through it and dun sa mga hindi. Katulad natin. Yun lang naman,
Yeah,
yun lang
tsaka
naman.
yung insight naman natin doon is more on our personal experience. We didn't tackle any experience from other people. I mean,
Yes.
we didn't tackle other people's experience there.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We were only speaking for ourselves and not
Yeah,
for
so
the whole universe. Charot.
yeah, and
Ayun lang. So, I hope you enjoyed that topic. If hindi pa ninyo napupuntahan, or if hindi nyo pa napapakinggan yun, puntahan nyo na lang.
yes.
Yes.
And of course, dahil nga dyan, syempre may random na naman tayong topic for tonight's video. For tonight's video.
Kinakabahan ako.
No, actually, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap.
Mhm.
Naano ko lang siya. Parang interesting siya kasi ano din ako, nag-scroll ako sa Reddit. And
Mhm.
then merong question doon. Sabi niya, the question goes like this.
Dug, 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 dug.
Sabi niya, what is something you thought was important when you were younger, but as you age, you've realized that it wasn't important?
Ooh, that's so interesting.
Actually, for me, it's interesting because
Mm-mm.
we do have a lot of things in the. I mean, that a lot. We do believe that these things are important when we were younger, but as we age, sabi nga nila, as you age, you mature, so you
Mm-mm.
realize things, diba? And
Mm-mm.
of course, I am the one who asks, so you're the one to answer.
Ganun ba? Parang hindi ha.
Char lang. Char
Okay,
lang.
so.
Na sa akin, for me, personally, when I was still young, when I was still young, I'm still young. When I was younger na lang, pero
Mm.
naman, Hindi tayo masyadong tumanda. When I was younger, iniisip ko na yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao. Then as I age, I realized that taking those unsolicited opinions from others personally is not that important. I mean,
Mm.
what's important is you are genuine with yourself, 'di ba? Parang ito ako eh. I mean, this is how I want to live. How I this is this is the life that I want, 'di ba? As long as that life is really good for me, then I think it's not important to to take those unsolicited opinions from others. 'Di ba? Kasi mahilig naman kasi talaga ang mga tao na magbigay ng comment kahit hindi mo naman hinihingi ang comment sa buhay-buhay. But I think there are some opinions that are important, especially if those opinions came from those people who are important to you, 'di ba? And if you ask for those opinion and advice as well, those
Mm.
are important. But for example, like nag-meet lang kayo, may family reunion, tapos nag-meet kayo, tapos biglang sasabihin niya sa'yo, uy, ba't ka naman ganyan mabuhay? Parang, ha? Parang, parang hello muna dapat yun. Parang, kamusta
Okay.
naman muna dapat, hindi yung, uy, ba't naman ganyan yung ginagawa mo sa social media? Parang gano'n, di ba? Parang,
Mm.
um, in my point of view, chatters, in my point of view, I think we should respect how people live their own life, as long as it doesn't affect your life, and as long as that way of living that they are having is not bad as you think it
Mhm.
is. Tama ba yun?
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang, kumbaga, let them live their own way of living and just be a good guidance for them if they ask for guidance or they ask for advice.
Mm.
And kung sa tingin mo naman na yung taong yon ay hindi humingi ng advice but you need to give them advice, I think you should do it in a good way, di ba? Parang kumbaga, uy, parang uh, I think you are going to the wrong path na. Parang gano'n, di ba? Hindi yung bibiglayin mo siya na, ba't ka naman ganun kaagad? Ganun. Parang, lo, lo santi. Parang gano'n. But
Oo.
for me, because when I was still young, ano ba yan? When I was still young, uh, lagi ko talagang iniisip yung ano eh, yung perception ng ibang tao about na dun din na develop yung pagiging reserve. Wow.
Mm.
Reserve of what I am and who I am. Kasi nga parang iniisip ko, baka hindi nila matanggap, baka hindi nila gusto yung ginagawa kong ganito, ganyan. And eventually, I realized that when I live independently, I realized that only few opinions about your life is important. Not all opinions about your life is important talaga. So yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Ano, okay. So, that's one thing din na answer ko din sa question mo. Katulad ng sa'yo na parang growing up, naging people pleaser na rin tayo because it's important kung ano man ang sasabihin ng mga ibang tao. Like, we wanted to live according to what pleases them.
So,
Ganon, 'di ba? So, that's one thing. But, para mag-iba tayo ng sagot din. So, ako naman, I don't know if this is the same, pero sa akin, yung comparison na feeling ko dati, importante siya nung bata ako because yun yung parang parang gusto mo maging competitive growing up
mm,
na parang oh ay ang galing niya dito, that mas magaling din ako, that magaling din ako, parang ganun. Kasi nga growing up maraming taong nakapalibot din sa akin na ganun. Oh, tularan mo si ganito kasi ganito siya. Ganon. Tapos, oh, buti pa si, I just want to, mag-specific na lang ako na parang, Same lang naman kayo ng pinag-aaralan. Bakit ikaw hindi ka nasa top 3? Parang ganon. Though hindi naman ganon yung mama ko. Hindi ganun si mama, pero siguro yung mga other nanays na na-experience ko yun na parang nagko-compare sila na, oh, ang galing naman ng anak mo, bakit hindi siya yung top 3? Parang ganon. Oh, ang galing na anak mo, ba't hindi siya kasali dun sa ganon? So parang ako, akala ko importante yun na
Mm.
iko-compare ko yung sarili ko na, oops, anong nangyayari sa buhay niya? Dapat yun din yung nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi yun yung naging standard na parang related sa'yo na piniplease mo yung mga ibang tao. Ganon. Ngayon na tumanda na ako, na meron na tayong nililive by na parang, ano ba yun? Parang mindset or parang ganun na hindi karera ang buhay. We have our own face. We don't need to compare. So, kung anong nangyari sa buhay ng ibang tao, hindi kailangan nangyari din sa buhay mo. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng path. Ganon. So, naging hindi na siya importante sa akin kasi mas nag-focus ako kung ano yung path na tinatahak ko, kung anong kini-create kong path. Parang ganon. Which is naging helpful sa akin na hindi na ako
Mhm.
tumitingin sa iba kasi mas naging focus ako sa sarili ko. And I think mas importante yun.
Actually, yeah. I think actually we have the same sentiments. That's my second parang second na realization ko na we don't have to please other people.
Mm-mm.
Sa gaya nga ng sabi mo kanina, we have our own pace in life, di ba? Parang kumbaga, if this thing is happening in this particular person's life, then it's not necessary that it should be happening in your life as well. Kasi nga, God has a plan for every person in the world, di ba? And if that plan or if that goal in your life is not in God's plan, it won't happen. It won't succeed as well, di ba? It might happen, but it won't succeed. It might last. It might not long last.
Mm.
It might not last long.
Last lang.
Manpili
Yes.
na lang kayo, chatters.
Mm-mm.
Kasi, yun din kasi yung ano, parang yun yung mindset ko na in, hindi siya parte ng buhay ko or ng story of my life for it to happen. Diba? Parang ganun lang yung mindset natin. And gusto ko yung follow-up question like, is it still necessary for us, the new generations of parents? Because we are on the age of parenthood naman na din. But
Mm.
we just choose not to be to be one yet.
Yes.
But we are on that stage. I mean, we are
Mm-mm.
on that phase na in our life. Is it necessary for us to compare our kids to other people's kids
No.
and pressure them? Parang hindi, di ba?
No. Because
Yeah.
na-experience ko na ngayon eh. Yun nga, parang hindi siya naging, yung effect, hindi naging maganda. So why will I do that to my future children or even sa mga pamangkin ko if yung experience ko bad doon? So, imbes na parang i-compare mo, there are alternatives on how you will encourage them to do good. Sabi natin sa studies nila or kung ano man yung gusto nilang gawin sa buhay, parang ganun. So, encourage them not through comparing to other uh, kids, but yung other ways na encouragement. Ano bang other ways to encourage them?
Actually, for
Yung
me, my way of encouragement is like, I'm asking. Wala pa akong kids chatters, but I have
pamangkin.
pamangkins. So,
Mm-mm.
I always ask them, what do you want to do? Parang kumbaga, tanungin mo sila kung anong gusto nila, then let them do it. Di
Mm.
ba? Like, when we were younger, when we were still young, laging sinasabi kasi ng mga magulang natin na, oh, punta ka doon, sumali ka sa ganito, ganito, ganito. Parang, hindi mo yun, pag hindi yun yung forte mo, parang, parang napipilitan ka lang gawin.
Mm-mm.
Unlike if you will ask the person about what he or she wants to do in her life, at least that person has free will to choose,
Mm.
'di ba? Para kung anong gusto niyang gawin talaga. Then it's up to him or her to discover if this thing is good for him or her, 'di ba?
Mm.
I
Yes.
think that would be better than pushing someone to do something they are not into it. I mean, they are not into.
Yeah, correct. And then, dun sa napili nila, yun na, parang encourage mo sila na, okay, do this, ganyan. Parang, oh, ito, improve mo to, parang ganun na. Yung, ginajudge mo na sila, yung individual as them, not comparing to other children,
Parang yung
kids.
pamangkin ko, yung panganay na pamangkin ko, parang sumali siya sa soccer. Ngayon, sabi ko, do you really like doing that? So sabi niya, yes, yes, Papa, I really like this, man, and everything. I said, okay, if you do good there, then I'll support you.
Mm.
Pero unfortunately, yung teacher na nagtuturo dun sa school nila, nag-resign. So,
Oh.
sabi ko sa'yo, that's fine. You can find another activity that you would like to do.
Mm.
Ngayon, gusto naman niya arts. Good,
Go
whatever you
push.
want to pursue. Diba? I
Yes.
mean,
Mm-mm.
let
Support
them
them.
discover themselves.
Mm-mm.
Not, 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 do not mold the life for them. I mean, yes, correct, diba? Do not
Correct, correct.
mold the life they will have in the future. Let
Just
them
guide
mold their
them, support them, ganyan.
yeah,
We know better because we experience yung feeling natin, ano, parang nini-negative ba naman? Hindi naman, pero we know better. Alam na natin yung mga pagkakamali before because we experience it firsthand. Diba?
that's true.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And I just want to ask, kasi medyo connected din naman siya dito sa topic natin. What was the most important life advice that you have received?
Mm. Actually, this is from one of my aunt. Sinabi niya sa akin tong quotation na to. And hanggang ngayon, nililive by ko siya. Sabi niya, be careful of what you think. Will, it might be it will be your words. Be careful of your words. It will be your actions. Be careful of your actions. It might be parang your future, parang ganun, something like that. So lagi kang magiging careful sa iniisip mo kasi yung mga iniisip mo, malayo yung mararating niya. So,
True.
yes. So, yun yung one, isa sa mga pinaka nililive by na lesson ko talaga. Kasi, para sa akin yun yung nag-guide sa akin. Kaya, sobrang careful ako sa mga iniisip ko. Sobrang careful ako sa mga um, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, yun yung, malayo, as I said, malayo yung mararating nun. Yun yung magiging future ko. And kung ang gusto kong future is maganda, kung ano yung mga iniisip ko, I make sure na maganda yun and makakatulong siya sa future na gusto ko. So,
At saka ano
yun.
rin talaga eh, mindset kumbaga, mindset.
Mm-mm.
Kasi yun din naman yung lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kapatid ko na pag sinabi mo na kasi sa sarili mo na hindi mo kaya, hindi mo talaga kakayain eh. Kasi
Yes.
sabi mo na eh, nasabi mo na. So you have
It's
to
the
make
way,
sure that you are, yeah, continue.
yun lang, your way of thinking is important din para
Mm.
sa gusto mong mangyari sa mm.
Yun. At that's true din naman. And yun nga, you always have to feed your mind positive thoughts so that your life will also be positive, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi gaya nga na sabi mo kanina, kung ano yung iniisip mo, yun yung mangyayari sa'yo. So, if ever man na chatters, you are facing some problems in your life, just stay positive. I mean, problems will be solved by itself, di ba? As time goes by, ma-realize mo rin naman kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin to solve those problems. But as the most important thing is you are enjoying your life at the moment.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Do not be do not be stressed about the problem in life. Kasi pag yun na lang yun ang iisipin mo, magugulo din yung life mo eh. Diba? Do
Yes,
not
correct.
concentrate on the problems in life. You should you should spend more energy in creating a better life for yourself and for the people around you.
Yes. And madagdag ko lang regarding do sa positive thinking, yung sa positive thoughts, naniniwala ako na naririnig ka ng universe. Kaya kung ano yung, kaya kung ano yung outlook mo sa buhay, dapat positive lang para yun yung magba-bounce back sa'yo. Yun din yung magigain mo. Naniniwala ako dun sa energy na yun.
True.
How about you?
Sa akin naman, ang pinaka tumatak talaga sa akin na life lesson na panood ko
Mhm.
lang naman sa TikTok, yung yung have peace with yourself.
Mm.
Napakasimple lang niya. But if kung iisipin niyo mga chatters, it's like it's connected with the life lesson or yung thought ko na kala ko importante sa buhay na para sa akin, having peace with yourself is better than pleasing the other people. I mean, most of the people. Kasi everyone has their own opinion about someone. And everyone has their own say about what we are doing in our life, di ba? If we if we will listen to those voices and yeah, if we will listen to those voices, parang masyadong magiging magulo yung buhay natin. Now
Mm-mm.
we don't know who we really are. We don't know what path we are going to. But if you have the peace of mind and peace with yourself, para kumbaga you know where are you heading to and you know that what you are doing is good for your life, di
Mm-mm.
ba? And pag meron ka rin kasing parang kumbaga peace of mind or hindi naman peace of mind pala, having peace with yourself.
Mhm.
Parang alam mo, alam mong magiging successful ka dahil hindi mo hinahayaan yung negative energy from other people na maapektuhan ka.
Mm.
Parang, parang, parang for me, it's a it's a big yes to choose yourself all the time.
Regarding that one, gusto ko lang i-share na it took me 30 years to really learn how to have peace within myself. Ganon. Na, kasi kahit na sabihin mo ayaw mo, gusto mo i-deadmahin yung mga ibang tao, parang mahirap siyang gawin actually. Para sa akin
True.
ha, personally, um, naaapektuhan pa rin ako, ganon. Pero after 30 years, by the way, I'm 31, so meron akong 1 year. 1 year na akong peaceful. Ayun, natuto akong,
1 year and 6 months ka ng peaceful sa buhay.
yes. Kasi parang ang hirap panindigan yung mga, sometimes kasi, i- actually, kailangan mong magkaroon ng sacrifices when you want that. It's not an easy peasy thing or hindi siya at the snap of the finger, andyan na agad, ganon. Sometimes, kailangan mo mag-put ng boundaries sa mga importanteng tao sa'yo para lang magkaroon
Mm.
ka ng peace. Katulad nung sinabi ni A na ano mo lang, segregate mo lang yung mga bagay na i-intake mo. Like, mga positive ba? Yung negative, medyo i-ano mo na sila. Ano yung other words ng segregate?
Set aside.
Oo,
Set
set
aside.
aside mo na sila. Ganon. So, yun. So if nagsa-struggle ka ngayon, I hope na itong sasabihin ko, na parang lalang, naisip ko lang na sa magsabi. Para ano lang, na para magkaroon ka ng ng peace within you is yun nga sa kailangan mong magkaroon ng boundaries. Kailangan mong makilala yung sarili mo. Kung ano yung mga kung ano yung magpapatrigger sa'yo na para, alam mo yun, maging weak. Kung ano yung
Mm.
magte-trigger sa weakness mo, kung bakit ka parang masyado kang nag-engage sa mga negative vibes, ganyan. Ayun. At saka, always say yes to yourself and no to others. I think yun yung way ko. Sa 30 years, madami yun. Pero yun yung pinaka-top 3 ko. Ayun.
Well, actually, may dadagdag ko lang. Saying yes to yourself is very important. Kaya nga
Mm.
nasabi natin kanina na we have to choose ourselves first before choosing other people, because at the end of the day, it's you who live that life, diba? If
Correct.
you will, uh, tawag dito, if you will succeed, then that's a good thing. But if you failed, then learn from it, diba?
Yeah.
It's always the positive way of thinking. Hindi yung nag-yes ka sa sarili mo tapos nag-fail ka parang sisisihin mo na yung sarili mo na,
Okay.
oh, bakit mo naman ganito? No, learn from that lesson, di ba? From that mistake. That's part of life, di ba? Nobody's perfect, di ba? So choosing yourself it doesn't mean that you have to be mean to other people and saying no all the time to them, di ba? If if tingin mo naman, if tingin mo naman saying yes to that person or to those people will benefit or will have a good impact on your life, then why not? Di ba? Pero
Mm.
pag sa tingin mo ay hindi naman essential for your life, then say no. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Totoo
Pero,
yun.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So, uh, nabanggit mo yun kanina na you should know yourself, di ba? I would like to know what is your ideal self? What do you think Beverly Ann Kagiwa should be to be Beverly Ann Kagiwa?
Yung hindi natitinag ka na. Yes, because I know myself, hindi natitinag means for me, kahit anong sabihin ng mga tao, parang I don't have to prove myself sa kanila. For example, sinabi nila sa akin na parang, oh, maldita yan. Parang, oh, hindi ako maldita. Ganito ako. Hindi. Ayoko yung ganun, ayoko i-present yung sarili ko na, tawag dito, na magpapa-apekto kung ano man yung sasabihin nila sa akin. Gusto ko yung parang at least ako nakilala ko yung sarili ko na pag may sinabi sila sa akin, okay, paniwalaan ninyo yan, yan. Ganyan, siguro ganun ako sa inyo, pero I know na hindi naman yung ganun yung overall na pagkatao ko. Parang ganon. And then, another is, gusto ko, ay, hindi ako magpapatinag, meaning, when you, parang, pagka, siguro, ano ba, mm, for example, meron akong gustong gawin sa buhay. Tapos, inuunahan mo na ako na hindi ko kaya. Ganon. But I know myself na mag-fail man ako dito. I know mag-fail man ako or hindi. Alam ko gusto ko tong gawin. So, gagawin ko pa din. So, hindi ako makikinig na na failure ako sa kung ano man yung gusto kong gawin. I hope I answered your question.
Well, actually, yeah. Well, actually, yeah. But I would just like to add that Beverly Ann Kagiwa will be Beverly Ann Kagiwa if she is funny.
If she's funny.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Actually,
Oh.
for me, because for 15 years of friendship, 16, going 16, si B kasi talaga yung pinaka-jolly, pinaka-funny sa amin
Can
lahat.
I change that? Not funny, witty na lang.
Witty.
Naging,
Okay. Witty.
parang mas cute yun. Charot lang, charot.
Oh, this is just my perception lang naman of Beverly Ann Kagiwa.
Mm.
Binuo talaga yung pangalan. Hanapin nyo na siya.
Kaya nga
Hanapin nyo
eh,
na lang
akala ko
siya.
ba BAB lang tayo dito?
Pero this is just my perception of you na
Mm.
you won't be Bevs if you are not funny. Diba?
Mm.
Kasi most of the time, I know that you are serious sometimes, but most of the time you're on the jolly side. Diba?
Mm.
Yeah.
How
For
about
me,
you, the man?
for me, uh, I think Rafael Junior Basto won't be Rafael Junior Basto if that person is not uh firm of what he is saying.
Mm.
Kala mo naman, ang dami-dami ang mga fake sasabihin dito sa podcast na, hindi pala joke.
Ano, I can
Pero
attest to
sa
that
akin,
na yes, it's a yes.
sa akin kasi, if I say something, I would really do my best to to achieve it or to
Mhm.
give that thing to that person. Kasi it's like your integrity na eh, 'di ba? Na, hindi naman hanggang salita lang 'yan, ganyan ganyan, 'di ba? For me, I I always want that person, or I mean, I always want to be known as someone who always always follow what he says, 'di ba? And always believe in what he stand for.
Mm.
Kasi ano eh, I mean, I can only blame myself if something bad happened in those decisions I did in my life, 'di ba?
Mm.
I don't want to blame other people kasi it I won't uh continue with my life if nandun ka pa rin, nagde-dwell ka lang dun sa problema ganun.
Mhm.
So I always make sure that I make decisions for my life that I could be I could stand for. I mean, I could stand for. Diba? Yeah.
Ako naman, since nag-add ka sa akin, pa-add din ako. Okay. Isang
Add to
regular
cart.
yum burger. Add ako na ano, family man. Family man. Kasi parang mula noon hanggang ngayon, si A, o sige, si Rafael Junior Basto. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na kapag may junior pala, ano muna, junior muna bago yung family name.
No, actually, mali. Um, nung ginawa yung birth certificate ko, di ba, mga chatters, meron na tayong ano dito, trivia.
Trivia pala
Yung
dito.
ginawang birth certificate ko, hindi siya nilagay sa suffix, yeah. Hindi
Ah,
siya nilagay
okay.
sa suffix. Nilagay siya sa first name
First
ko.
name.
So all this time before I got my passport, my very first passport,
Mhm.
all this time I thought my name is Rafael Basto Jr.
Yeah. Oh my God, ako din. Ngayon ko lang alam. Rafael Junior
Akala mo,
Basto. Oh, junior
Rafael
ka pala.
Jr.
I
But
mean,
actually,
yeah, we know na you're
hindi mo
junior.
naman babasahin Junior yun kasi JR lang talaga
JR,
nilagay yun. So
yeah.
parang it's like Rafael JR. Rafael
Uh,
JR Basto.
with the dot.
So,
Kailangan may dot yun kapag ano. Di ba?
hindi ko alam kung may dot yun, pero
Hindi kasi
pero
as a name na siya eh. Kasi kung dun
yeah.
sa ano, may dot. Pero kapag ano.
Pero
Anyway.
sa passport ko naman, wala siyang dot. So, okay. Going back, yun nga, yun
Ju-
yung na-realize ko na gano'n pala yung name.
Oh, I thought ako yung may mali na parang, ha? Nauna yung junior bago yung family name niya. Okay. So, ngayon, alam ko na, as a best friend of more than 10 years, I know na your name is Rafael Junior Basta. Okay. So, si
Ikaw
Raf...
pala ang nakakaunang nakarinig.
Oh my gosh. Oh, susunod kay chatters. Alam na rin nilang lahat. So, yon si Rafael Junior Basto, ever since, talaga, nakita ko na siya, parang lahat ng mga, ano niya, lahat ng ginagawa niya sa buhay, feeling ko lang naman, i-confirm mo na lang kung tama Hindi, yung ano, hindi niya nakakalimutan yung family niya. Parang ganun. Parang lagi mo siyang, maano na, to, sa family ko, ito sa kapatid ko, ito kasama, yung ganun. Kaya, kaya we're best friend, I think, because we have the same values. Oh, charot.
No,
Of being
actually, I
so.
think we were built because of our family. I mean, we are who we are because of our family. They
Mm-mm.
molded us. Diba?
Mm-mm.
Kasasabi lang natin kanina na we shouldn't mold other people's life. But this is in a good way, not in a bad way naman
They
na
did not mold us na
our
parang, oh, ito kayo. Hindi, but
yeah, they help
which,
us.
oo, parang
Yeah.
ganon.
The right term is help us. They help us to be who we are at the moment. So
Mm-mm.
I think it's not okay to forget them whenever you are getting something good in your life, di ba? And
Mm-mm.
ano naman kasi ako, parang kumbaga, I don't want my family to be left behind while
Mm-mm.
I'm while I'm going high on whatever aspect in life, di ba? Parang kumbaga, kahit naman,
Kasama mo
I
sila.
think kahit naman sino, parang ayaw nilang maagrabyado yung pamilya nila. I mean, not the agrabyado na sinasaktan and whatever, but kumbaga yung umaasenso sila sabay-sabay na hindi mo
Mm.
sila iniiwan. Though sometimes you have to consider yourself first before considering them. But a lot of times you also I always um include them in the plan with my plans in my life, diba?
Yun naman, kaya mas nagiging successful pa tayo dahil hindi natin inaiwan ang family. Ako ha, naniniwala ako sa ganun.
True, yung maayos yung pamilya niyo.
Ako kasi personally, pero syempre, it's, it depends on the situation ng family. Kasi di ba iba nagsasuccess na sila
Yeah,
lang,
there are
walang
some.
family.
Yeah.
Pero personally,
We are just sharing our insights about our family and our life. So mga chatters, we we are not we are not um ano ba yan? Hindi namin
speaking,
dinuduldul yung yung, yung life lesson. Hindi namin dinuduldul sa utak niyo sa buhay niyo yung mga ano namin.
yeah, but yun lang yung scenario lang natin. Ayun.
Hmm.
Can we add
Well,
pa another, ano, sige.
yeah. Cause yeah, you can add, but what do you want to add?
Another thing na gusto kong i-add dyan sa sagot mo is meron tayong terminology na ginagamit ngayon. It's the fear of missing out. FOMO. Fear of missing out, yun yung parang kunwari merong event na mangyayari among your friends, the group of friends that you have. And then ayaw mong mamiss yun. Gusto mo nandudun ka palagi. Gusto mo lahat ng lakwatsa, nandudun ka, ganyan. Though, meron siyang, magandang epekto rin naman. Kasi looking back, syempre marami tayong memories, di ba? Na, ganito, may lakad tayo
Happiness.
dito, lakad siya. Pero syempre, meron din naman siyang hindi magandang, uh, marami tayong nasasakripisyo before. Like, kahit hindi na swak, kahit hindi okay sa parents natin,
Agree. Wow.
kahit hindi okay sa budget natin, and kahit hindi okay sa mga responsibilidad natin, go pa rin tayo. Akala natin importante yun because we have that memory. Because at that moment, in tayo. Alam mo yun, cool tayo. Kasi nandun tayo sa event, nandun tayo sa celebration or something, ganyan. Na growing up, na-realize ko na it's not that important. It's okay na hindi pala ako makapunta dun sa lakad na yon ng mga friends ko. Kasi, mas importante pala yung sinunod ko yung magulang ko. Eh, makinig kayo. Totoo to. Mga sinasabi ko. Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Yan, yan. Minsan-minsan lang po siya maging seryoso. Kaya ano yun. Mag-take down notes na kayo.
Oo, totoo yun. Hindi ko siya, hindi pala ganun. Mas importante pala na sundin mo yung parents mo. Mas importante pala na kung wala kang money or kung may extra ka na money, mas maganda pala na isinave mo na lang din. Or kung gipit ka na, sana inano mo na lang tinanggap mo na lang sa sarili mo na gipit ka. And mas importante pala na ginawa na lang yung mga responsibilities. Kasi, you know what? Kung ginawa ko yun noon pa, feeling ko kung ano yung feeling ko lang naman. Hindi naman natin masabi, di ba? Pero I have a feeling na,
Feeling lang pala.
oo, na parang mas level up pa ako ngayon if hindi ako nagkaroon ng FOMO before. Yung mga akala ko importante. Ayun. So ngayon, meron kayong privileged chatters na malaman ito sa amin. Na sundin niyo talaga yung parents ninyo. And wag kayong magkaroon ng FOMO. Kasi ano lang naman siya para siyang, anong tawag din? Parang social approval and other term for that. Ano lang naman siya eh. Gusto mo lang maging in eh. Kumbaga, gusto mo lang makisabay. Kaya mo
Makasabay sa
ginagawa.
uso.
Oo, makisabay sa uso, makisabay kung anong nangyayari, ganun. Which is, hindi pala siya ganun kaimportante. Parang looking back, mas okay lang din pala na hindi ako nakapag-party before ng malala. Siyempre, gusto ko pa rin pumarty. Ano ako? Hypocrite? Hindi ha.
Maria.
Gusto ko yung party, gusto ko yung experience na yun. Pero there are times na okay lang naman kahit hindi ako mag-attend or be there. What can you say about FOMO? Do you
For
agree ka
me,
ba?
the FOMO. I think, uh, I think, yeah. As a person who is working far from my family, who, alam mo naman, tayong mga Pilipino kasi we always want to be attend, to be, ano ba?
Present.
To be present. I mean, to be present in every event of our family, di ba? And 5 years ago, parang na-realize ko na there are other times that you don't need to be there. Just the support is enough. Di ba? Parang kumbaga, we have other priorities in our life that is
Exactly.
much more important than attending those events in their life. And as long as we show that we support them and we still love them, I think that's fine. For me, personal ano ko lang naman yan. Point of view ko lang naman na parang it's not really it's okay to be absent sometimes or most of the times. But you have to make sure that um your support for your loved ones will always be there. And um the most important event in their life, you will always be there.
Mm.
Because we always have a lot of events in our life, but those are not important events.
Mm-mm.
Important events means like, for example, the um for you,
Weddings.
for the wedding, for your
Mm-mm.
wedding, of course. Hindi natin pwede kakalimutan ng wedding mo. Yung wedding ng mga kapatid ko. Though for my younger sister, hindi ako naka-attend ng wedding niya because we are really far from each other, and during that time it was COVID, so
Mm-mm.
we don't have a choice, diba? But if we have the choice, why not, diba? We should be there. We should always be in the most important events in their life.
Mm.
Have you heard about the term ang tawag dito? Japanese kasi yun eh. For wait,
Ikagay.
sorry. And the ikagai is also the term. But there is this term in in wala yun. Wait.
Kaizen.
Kaizen? Ano to? Mali.
Basta Japanese na.
Kintsugi.
Ha?
Kintsugi. Kin ano ba yan? Kin
Kimchu? Kimchu?
Kintsugi. I don't know
Yeah.
if that's the right pronunciation, but KINTSUGI. Kintsugi.
Mm. I don't know.
Maybe it's the yeah. Pero ano kasi siya, parang hindi naman siya connected sa topic natin, but gusto ko lang i-brought up to our next topic
Mm.
na um ano siya actually, ang kintsugi, Japanese term of the art, rebuilding something from gold.
Mm-hmm.
Parang kumbaga, kasi 'di ba uso kasi sa mga Japanese yung kunyari nasira yung plato, and then they will build it again, put it all together using golds and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Parang this is just connected with the life lessons na parang gusto kong sabihin na those brokenness that you are going through is part of your life to be the best version of yourself.
Mm.
And the gold in that art are the knowledge that you um, gain from those experiences. And to be better, or to be to have a better version of yourself, you have to use those knowledges and experiences. Yes, that's it. Parang
Mm.
gusto ko lang i-brought up to another topic na parang what do you think or tend why do you think people tend to dwell on the problems in their
Mhm.
life? Parang kasi naisip ko lang, growing up, growing up, ano na to different ano na to. Parang growing up, we, that's the time that we just realized that we have a lot of problems in life. Diba? When we were younger, we never think about life. I mean, we don't take life too serious.
Mm. Totoo.
Diba? Parang gusto ko lang um i i-reverse naman yung question na
Mm.
what was the thing in your life? Why do people or gusto ko lang itanong pala na why do people tend to dwell in their problems nowadays?
Okay. First of all, I just want to say yung maganda yung Japanese na ano, na tinuro mo. And it makes a
Friendship.
lot of sense na parang on how we see our failures, on how we see the problems, yung ganun. Kung paano dapat natin yung tignan. Okay. And to answer naman your question on why, bakit nagdudwell? Hindi ko masagot kung bakit nagdudwell tayo. Kasi ako, hindi ako nagdudwell eh. Alam mo yun? Yung problem ko ngayon, hindi ako nagdudwell sa problema. Wala akong
Yung
pakialam.
problem ko ngayon, problem ko kahapon.
Hindi, I mean, ako, alam mo naman ako eh, parang hindi talaga nagdudwell. Pero sige, um, s- yung observation ko na lang to other people, kung bakit sila nagdudwell. I think it's the way they think eh. Yung disposition nila sa buhay. Am I making sense here? Like, for example, I know for sure chatter, baka ikaw mismo or may kakilala kayo na, lagi siyang may problema. And yung problema niya na yun, uy, 1 month ka na dyan sa problema mo, ano? Siguro,
Di ba
yun
taon pa
nga.
nga, di ba?
It's always about the way you think. And feeling ko it has something to do with some intelligence here. Alam mo yun, kasi iba-iba tayo ng intelligence eh. Alam mo yun, siguro hindi sila ganun ka. I'm sorry ha, masyado na akong straightforward dito. Baka may ma-offend, pero okay lang may ma-offend. Okay lang may ma-offend. Hindi.
No. Oh,
Nandoon naman kasi
tough
yun eh,
love tayo
yung
dito.
emotional intelligence. Feeling ko it has something to do with that. Na you dwell with your problems because masyado kang emotional na parang masyado mong dinidibdib yun, which is hindi naman dapat. Ang problema, hindi dinidibdib. Hindi lang pwede mong iyakan, pero hindi mo siya iiyakan na like, nandun na yung energy mo. Ang problem, sinusolve.
Yeah.
Sinusolve ang problem. Meron nga sabi sa atin, di ba, na ang problema, hindi yan, pagdaanan mo ang problema. Huwag mong tambayan. Di
Huwag mong
ba?
tambay.
Huwag mong tambayan. So, I think yun nga, it's because of the mindset, because of yung emotional intelligence, and maybe it has also something about the support system. If someone's, guiding them, and two-way, if you wanted to be guided, then if you wanted to
Oh, kasi
get
depende
help
din
from
naman yun.
other
Baka,
people. Oo. Kasi baka ito na yung support system mo, andyan na. Gusto ka nang tulungan, gusto ka nang i-guide, gusto ka nang i-support. Pero you block them. So, it still falls under your emotional intelligence. And that's one good topic, emotional intelligence. Kasi alam mo, masyado na masyado na emotional ng mga tao. Hanggang sa politika, hindi mo na malaman. Masyado silang emotional. Ayun lang naman.
true.
How about you?
Well, sa akin, I think the reason is because yun nga, nasabi mo kanina, the way they think. Um, both of us kasi naman, we have the strong mindset na talagang we don't want to live or we don't want to dwell on those problems. Kasi nga, we always, we always, we always have this mindset, I mean, way of thinking na maayos ko to agad-agad. And I have to fix this right away so that it won't cause more problems. Kasi 'di ba, um ano ko lang naman to, parang realization ko lang naman to na if I have a problem and I won't solve that problem, I will have another problem. Then it's like um parang ang nangyayari na is tinatakasan lang. Tinatakasan lang yung yung problema to have a to live. 'Di ba? It's like you are losing the purpose of your life because of those problems. But if you solve those problems right away, at least, I mean, you don't have to face a lot of problems in one time, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi yun nga, parang yung nasabi ko kanina na um ayokong ayokong nai-stress sa buhay dahil sa mga problema. Parang kung nagkaroon tayo ng problema ganito, ayusin natin kaagad. Ayoko yung, or ako man,
Mm-mm.
personally, kung nagkaroon akong problema, I will find solution to solve that problem para para hindi ako ma-stress. Because I don't want that feeling of being stressed. So yeah, I think it it's it all boils down to the way you think. Kung
Mm-mm.
bakit kung bakit nagdidwell ang mga tao sa problema nila. And I just want to share na in solving all those problems and trials in your life, once you solve all those problems and trials in your life, you will surely have a better way of living.
Mm-mm.
Kasi, I mean, gaganda lang naman ang buhay natin kasi nasosolbahan natin yung mga problema natin eh. And we
Mm-mm.
already know the answers to those problems. If ever na mafe-face na naman natin yung problem na yan. At least, oh, okay. I've been through this. I know that this is the way. How can I go out from this situation? Diba?
Exactly. Ano lang, dagdag lang, short pa. Short lang. Lagi nyo lang isipin to. Baka lang makatulong sa inyo ito, chatters, na eto, gawin nyo lang tong mindset na isipin nyo lang, sobrang ikli ng buhay. And yung ikli na yun, gusto mo bang mabuhay lang sa problem? I bet you don't like that. For
True.
sure, you don't like that. Kaya kapag, katulad ng sinabi ni E, kapag may problema, huwag kayong matakot na harapin. And lagi niyong isipin na problema lang yan. Problema lang yan. Na ikaw, na tao, buhay, marami kang magagawang, maraming pwedeng paraan. Maraming pwedeng magandang paraan to solve the problem. Ang kailangan nyo lang talaga is maging strong kayo. I know it's not that easy, pero maging strong lang kayo and have faith. And maraming beses ko na ito nasabi sa inyo, but it really helped me a lot to surrender everything to God and put your trust to Him.
You know, I have this habit every 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 morning and before I sleep that kasi syempre sa trabaho, we always have the stress, di ba?
Mm-mm.
And sa sa trabaho ko and sa position ko, I always do have the stress. I always get mad at work. Not always. I mean, I get
Most of the
mad.
time.
Nagagalit ako. Yun ako. Hindi naman most of the time, pero nagagalit. There are times in my work hours na nagagalit ako. And I always have this habit of praying before I sleep. And ang lagi ko first line is thank you for giving or for guiding me while I was in that situation and for not allowing me to continue having that emotion. Parang 'di ba? I mean, we always have to be thankful We always have
Mm-mm.
to be thankful that we are not in that phase in our life, right? We are not in that way of living na laging galit. Kasi I used to be like that before. Na yung talagang galit ako sa oras na to hanggang matapos ang trabaho, galit talaga ako. I used to be like that before. But now, when I started doing that, praying for guidance, parang I feel more ease, more peaceful about how to live my life. Minsan pa
That's
nga na pag
good.
nagsasalita ako, pag nagagalit ako, parang lagi kong, parang binubulong ko na God, protect, God, God guide me. God guide me. Parang ganun ako. To be honest, hindi sa pang bobola or whatever to make our podcast good. Pero ginagawa ko talaga yan.
Add ko lang yung sa sinabi ko. Di ba sabi ko last na yun? Ano lang, katulad nung sinabi, since we are being religious here, charot lang. Um, alam nyo ba, na dyan sa pagsasolve ng problem, ay yung regarding solving the problem, malaking percentage lang yung nakakatulong yung mga tao. Sa, may mga taong nakakatulong sa'yo. That is God's way of blessing you with the people, the right people around you. Kaya, isa mo din dapat ika-grateful yun kung meron kang mga support system. Gusto
Yeah.
ko lang
And
i-acknowledge lahat ng mga taong tumulong sa akin during those times na down din ako at may mga
uh,
problema ako. Kasi gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi ko naman yun ginawa mag-isa ko lang eh. Hindi ko naman kinaya yun mag-isa ko lang eh. Andiyan dyan sila andyan yung family ko, yung mga iba ko pang friends. And, yun, i-consider nyo din yun na alamin niyo kung sino yung ikikip ninyo sa circle ninyo and alamin niyo kung sino yung ipapalisin ninyo,
iba bla-
ibablock ninyo sa circle ninyo. Ayun.
Well, actually, totoo din naman talaga yun. I mean, gusto ko lang idagdag doon na parang kumbaga, if this person really cares about you, those things na sinasabi nila to make your life better or to help you solving your problem, I think that's the most important that's the most important um advice that you should accept in your life, diba? And I think if you think that person is very important to you, take those advices personally. Kasi
Yeah.
yun na, pumapasok yung first na sinabi ko na
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say na. Going back to our first na
going
ano.
back to what I said earlier, na
Mm-mm.
parang kumbaga yung opinion ng ibang tao really matters on how important they are in your life, di ba? And
Mm-mm.
tama nga talaga si Sina, you have to make sure that you value those advices from the people that you cherish and you really love, di ba?
And has good intention
Yeah, has good
sa'yo.
intentions.
Mm-mm.
True. Yeah. Kasi pag yung problema mo paulit-ulit lang and our advice is paulit-ulit lang din, then it's a routine. It's not we are not
Growing.
accelerating, 'di ba? Tama ba yung accelerating? Yeah,
We are not
maybe.
moving
Or
forward. We
yeah,
are
we are
not
not moving
growing. We are
forward
not,
to yeah,
ano
we are
to?
not winning in life pag ganun yung parang
Yes.
paulit-ulit lang yun nangyayari.
Mm-mm.
Hmm. Having said that, what will be your advice, life advice for our chatters?
For chatters.
No,
Okay.
not just for our chatters, but for everyone naman
Yeah,
pala.
for everyone out there.
Again,
Hello,
everyone.
73 chatters. Well, I
Hi,
just want
hello.
to say thank you for the support, chatters. My life advice is yung pinaka nililive by ko rin ngayon. Katulad nung sinabi ko kanina. Na always be mindful of the things that you put in your mind and always be clear about what you want in your life. And Um, and on your way to that future you, there will be a lot of obstacles, problems, and challenges. Take that as your building blocks. Charot. Building blocks.
Building blocks.
Hindi. To create the empire that you want. Don't take that as something na negative. Don't take that as negative. Don't take that as parang pasuko ka na, ganyan. Pero take that as a challenge na kaya ko to, ganyan. And for sure kung ano man yung gusto mong ma mangyari sa buhay mo, mangyayari yun. Magkaroon ka ng positive, good mindset and clear
Mine.
mind, clear picture of what you want in your life and be strong, have faith. Yan. Yun yung gusto kong ma-share sa inyo today. Ikaw naman, eh.
Sa akin, ang mga advice ko lang, kung feel nyo, yung circle nyo is not good for your life, find another circle in. Char, joke lang. Hindi. Well,
Makes sense.
seriously, parang gusto ko lang. It makes sense. Gusto ko lang sabihin na if you feel that everyone hates you, go out of that room, diba? And if you think you hate yourself, go take a shower and realize that that you are not being you. That's why you're hating yourself. Diba? Kasi usually, naisip ko lang, usually our deep thoughts happens while we are in the toilet. I mean, not in the toilet, in the shower room,
Mm-mm.
bathroom, diba? Our deep thoughts always happens there.
Agree.
Our realizations in life always happen while we are taking showers, shower, ang dami naman ng showers. While we are taking shower, diba? Parang, if you feel that you hate yourself, go and take a shower so that you will realize and eventually you will love yourself again. You will realize that you are worthy. You will realize that what you are doing in your life is good for yourself. Diba? And lastly, if you think everyone hates everyone, if you think everyone hates everyone, um, start start spreading the love. Diba?
Mm.
Be the light. Be the light in that darkness. Be the light in that darkness. Kasi pag hindi mo umpisahan yung good deeds in yourself, makakain ka din nung 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 tawag dito, nung mantra na yun nung negative mantra na yun, di ba? So always make sure that you are the sunshine in that darkness. Don't be that
Okay,
dark.
noted. Don't be in the dark. What if lang naman gustong maging darkness? Pero totoo yan. Start sa sarili mo. Kung ano yung gusto
Yeah,
mong,
believe in
ano,
yourself.
mm-mm.
Medyo magulo yung ano ko, pero yeah. Yun nga yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na
So, it's
if you
clear
feel that
naman.
if you really feel that you hate yourself, take a shower. That's the time that you yeah, parang kumbaga pag pakinggan mo kasi parang kung sinasabi naman ito, pero parang yun nga lang na-realize ko lang din talaga yung mga deep deep thoughts and realizations talaga natin nangyayari while we are taking a shower.
Mm-mm. Effective din
Yeah.
naman. Totoo, I agree with you. Kasi
Hmm.
ang dami ko ring mga ideas na biglang nagpa-pop out. Minsan, bigla ka
Diba?
na lang parang, oh, I should have said this or not said this. Ganyan. Parang minsan may mga regrets ka din doon. Okay.
Or yung mga good ideas na mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo tapos
Yeah.
bigla ako sometimes while taking shower, may mga naiisip akong gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. Tapos parang gusto kong magmadali sa pagligo. Di ba? Parang
Exactly.
gusto kong magmadali para i ino-note ko or kaya i-search ko sa Google. Take
Mm-mm.
to Google kung paano ba ma-achieve yung mga ganong ideas.
Yeah, nice, nice insight.
Yeah.
Okay. Super love naman the topic today. Ang dami nating
Ano
mga
lang, light lang tayo.
insights.
Light lang
Ah,
tayo.
light ba
Light.
yun? Parang na-challenge din tayo eh.
Na-challenge din naman tayo because we need to think a lot of advices, a lot of experiences in our own life, di ba?
Mm-mm. At saka
Medyo
alam
magulo,
naman,
medyo magulo. Medyo magulo lang kasi yung yung mga questions ko talaga mga chatters, hindi ko siya prepare. Parang kumbaga dito ko lang iniisip habang
nag-pop out na lang siya dyan.
nagpa-pop up.
Mm-mm. Which is good kasi para talaga siyang real conversation. You
And raw
know?
talaga.
Mm-mm.
Parang
Yes.
yung last episode namin sa season 6 raw talaga yun. Wala na kaming edit.
Pasensya na kayo. And thank you ha sa mga sumuport ng season 6. Season 6 parang dun talaga tayo dumami. In
True.
fairness, season
In
6.
fairness,
Thank you
maganda naman
so
kasi yung mga
much.
topic natin that time.
Yeah. And mas dadami pa ngayong season 7. Kaya thank you so much, A, for
Thank you so much,
for the
B.
topic, for um yes, for the insights today. And thank you, chatters, for joining us.
True. And of course, chatters, kung gusto nyo kami mapakinggan pa, you have to follow our social medias naman. For
Mm-hmm.
our Spotify, Facebook, and TikTok, the Group Chat Podcast by ABC, and of course, our YouTube channel. Please subscribe the YouTube channel with ABC.
Eh,
Yeah.
comment din kayo, guys. We're waiting for
Oo
you.
nga, mag-comment-comment naman kayo dyan. Hindi yung node-node lang. Chat. Now,
Oh,
we appreciate those views din naman. But of course, it would be better pag meron din mga kayong insight, di ba? Para
oh
naman
naman.
alam namin kung ano mga nangyayari sa inyong buhay.
Truly. Thank you.
Thank you, chatters. Bye.
Bye.
Pasensya na talaga dun sa last episode. May ilaw na po.
Ilan na siya? Wala na. Reset.
Mhm. Bye,
Okay.
chatters. And that's a wrap. Thank you for listening to our latest episode here in the Group Chat Podcast with ABC. We would be happy to be connected with you guys. Please subscribe and follow us to our channels. For Spotify, the Group Chat. For YouTube, the Group Chat with ABC. For Facebook, the Group Chat. Thank you so much, guys. Join us again on our next episode this coming Friday. Bye bye.